In this video, I will show you how to download Visual Studio 2019. It's free for everybody. For that, search for Visual Studio 2019. Okay, you will see a link from Microsoft.com and go to it. In this button, click Community 2019, not others, Community 2019. Okay, this is free Visual Studio. Okay, and this will download a installer, run it, and it will download another installer. Okay, I already downloaded it, so I will show you what it looks like. This is a Visual Studio installer. That the file. Let's install the Visual Studio for desktop app development. Okay, I already installed, so I will show you how it looks like. For desktop app development, you need .NET desktop development. Well, WP. If you use C++, use this one. If you need to use Windows 10 applications like Universal Windows Platform, like this Windows 10 applications, you have to download this one, Universal Windows Platform Development. After you finish selecting this, you can see an install button here, and make sure to select download or then install, because that's more secure. After you selecting this, the total space required will show here, and after that click install. I don't see install because I will show you, like modify. Okay, click install. That's how we download Visual Studio. After the installation, you will be able to launch the program. I will show you how Visual Studio looks like. For create a new project, you have to select create a new project in here. After that, search for Windows Forms applications here. Make sure it has this tags C# Windows Desktop. After, and click it and click next. In here you can select any project name you like. Let's see, installation. Okay, and click create. This will create the basic parts of the Windows Forms applications. You can edit. Scaling on the main display sets to 200. Okay, restart the Visual Studio 100% scaling, because there may be scaling problems. Okay, you can add anything into this, like that button. Let's add a label. For the change text, click on the label and go to the properties here and change the text any of you likes. Let's see, I'm a text label. Okay, you can see that. And if you want to change the button on the text on the button, again a button. Okay, to test the application, click start on the app. Click on start. This will launch the applications. You can see button, label. Okay, this is for today's video.